Hi everyone, welcome to the final video in English 7735. Here we are, it's the last time you have to see my face. But anyway, this is the last video and I just wanted to say how much I have enjoyed working with all of you. You are all tremendous writers. I've been inspired with my writing by you. If any of you are interested in forming an online writing group with me, just to kind of informally give each other feedback to our writing, I would really love to do that. So send me an email if you are interested, and we can just work out kind of a loose schedule. I mean, we can just correspond by email, maybe, once every 2 months or whatever works for your schedule. But anyways, it has been a pleasure. I'm working my way now through your philosophy of writing, and then I will have those grades will be in today. And then tomorrow on Tuesday, I will be working on the multi-genre research projects. So those grades will be finished tomorrow, and then I will upload final grades to D2L. So have a look at that. Have a great rest of your summer. It's not much left for most of us. We start back really soon. But have a good start to your new school year, and come and see me if you are on the KSU campus. I'm in the English building in 120. So that's a wrap. Bye.